एस्पिरेशन तो सबको होता है, ड्रीम सबको होता है कि मैं भी हाफ्ती की शर्ट पहनूँ, थोड़ा सा सलमान खान की तरह मसल दिखाऊँ, एंड ऑल दोस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. एंड आई हैव आल्सो वांटेड टू, माय ड्रीम वाज टू वन डे, एक दिन मैं अपनी शर्ट और पूरा so these are all things. Age is never a barrier, just keep that in mind. So I want to reach out to all the people who are going to watch your interview and read your interview, that age, no matter what age you are, you can still, the body made by the Almighty is capable of changing and shifting and becoming better. You can do it anytime in your life. मैं हूं अनिल कपूर और आप देख रहे हैं और बताओ स्तुति के साथ.
मैं हूं विक्रमादित्य मोटवानी और आप देख रहे हैं और बताओ स्तुति के साथ.
Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of और बताओ. मेरा नाम स्तुति है और मेरे साथ जो है एक AK है और दूसरे VM. So विक्रमादित्य मोटवानी, the director of the film AK versus AK, and we have one AK, Anil Kapoor, here with us. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you, Shruti. Thank you so much.
अच्छा, सबसे पहले the casting happened first or the naming, and I just want to understand the casting process, because this looks like such a fun film, and with Anurag Kashyap and Anil Kapoor together, it promises to actually pique our curiosity quotient.
So I think the name came first, the concept and the name came first.
Okay.
Yeah. So Avinash Sampath, who's the writer of the film, since he's from advertising, he thinks in those terms. Okay, here's the title and this is the poster and imagine this and imagine that. So, but it was such a cool idea that it just, it's something that I just really wanted to do. And of course, I didn't stick to the original title. We went thoda aise, and then eventually, said, "Yaar, kya hum log kya kar rahe hain? Anil Kapoor is the man." So it came back. And rewrote the film last year with Mr. Kapoor in mind, and then approached him, and then it all just dominoes after that.
I know it's bad manners to talk about people who are not in the room, but how can we not talk about the other AK? So this Anurag Kashyap versus Anil Kapoor.
Let's make this show. Both of us will only talk about Anurag Kashyap.
So we'll start with that. Anil Kapoor, why don't you tell us, how was it? Like the little bit that I have seen of the film, I haven't seen the whole thing. There's this very documentary style filmmaking और बहुत ऐसे dialogues realistic है. Sir, अभी आप hero के roles नहीं कर सकते. You're getting very angry with him. How was that whole equation? I know you guys are acting, but how was it? One AK to the other.
It was very liberating. It was fun, and बहुत मजा आया. It was really great fun. And Anurag के साथ, to be honest with you, I never knew that he had I have such a because you see what happens when you go on the set. कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये एक्टर के साथ जमेगी नहीं जमेगी, कैसी टाइमिंग, डायलॉग की टाइमिंग वगैरह. But we were just bang on. We just hit the right chord. In the first few days we had Vikram, myself, Anurag, हमको ये थे कि इसकी सही पिचिंग शूटिंग से पहले हमें. But that was the most important thing. We should make it as real as possible. And working with Anurag obviously was an asset, because वो हमेशा यही कहता है कि मुझे एक्टिंग बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, मगर एक्चुअली अंदर से उसको एक्टिंग पसंद है. अब वो जो यहाँ नहीं है मैं बोल सकता हूँ. वो थिएटर कर चुका है, स्टेज कर चुका है, एंड ही इज़ वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा. ऐसे ही उसको कभी ऐसा बिकॉज समटाइम्स व्हेन यू वर्क विद एन एक्टर, उनकी आंखों और चेहरे से पता चलता है कि उसको मालूम है कैमरा वहाँ है. But when the way Anurag works, you don't feel that there is a camera around. He just is so comfortable and so natural and so real, and so it was great fun. So we could really have a good jugalbandi.
Yeah. So ये जो आप बोल रहे हो ना, real और natural, कितना improv हुआ, especially with the dialogues, the bits where you guys are having a face-off. Did you add lines on the go, एक दूसरे को बोलने के लिए और चढ़ाने के लिए?
So what we did was there were stages. There was a script which we thought we had taken quite far. Then Anurag did the dialogue, and that went even further. Then we did rehearsals. All of us together did rehearsals, took it even further. And I think then on set we were very well prepared. By the time we started shooting, we were really well prepared. I was prepared. Anil sir and Anurag were very well prepared for that kind of stuff. So then after that, yes, then there was whatever improvs would come, would just enhance stuff. So it was like, oh, let's say this, yeah, let's say this. Once you realize that also there is that, there's a trust level happening between all three of us, where we're all looking out for each other, at the same point looking out for the film most importantly. I think that trust is, there. Then there's no boundaries, there's no defense mechanisms up. No? Then you're like going all out here.
Acha, ye AK versus AK mein also, like the initial banter that happens, two very different kinds of filmmaking styles converge. Anil Kapoor, we've seen him do certain films, and Anurag Kashyap is completely different. Vision aapka hai, Vikramaditya yahan pe. Anil, do you ever see yourself working in a film with Anurag Kashyap as the director?
No, we were supposed to work in a film together, I think over more than 20 years back. And unfortunately, the film didn't happen. And जैसे कि अनुराग बोलते हैं, ये सब विक्रम ने प्लान किया था कि ऐसी एक फिल्म अनाउंस होगी, अल्विन कालीचरण, वो फिल्म नहीं बनेगी, फिर मैं उसको अपनी AK वर्सेस AK में इस्तेमाल करूँगा. As there's a lot of mention of Alvin Kalcher in the film, a little bit, so that's not the film. But of course, so I always wanted to do a film, but I'm happy that, we've done this film together, which couldn't have been a better collaboration for all three of us. And I think you will see a lot of work together, hopefully. We obviously will go separate ways and do our different films, but ultimately I think sometime or the other we'll come back together and do some good work, yeah.
Anil Kapoor, I'm going to get a lot of hate mail. अगर आपसे मैंने आपकी एक चीज के बारे में नहीं पूछा. Recently you posted a picture where you said dreams do come true, and I always wanted to show off my biceps and triceps. People have looked up to you, okay? There's another AK from Akshay Kumar to you. I mean, you guys have a different standard as far as physical fitness is concerned, film industry mein. How is a typical day in the life of Anil Kapoor? क्या करते हैं to maintain yourself like this and to be able to put that picture out?
I think this lockdown, the positive side of lockdown was me, getting passionate about. I never really was into bodybuilding. I just was always into being healthy and fit, but never into bodybuilding or never wanting to. But obviously, the aspiration तो सबको होता है, dream सबको होता है कि मैं भी हाफ की शर्ट पहनूं, थोड़ा सा सलमान खान की तरह मसल दिखाऊं, and all those kind of things. And I have also wanted to. My dream was to one day, एक दिन मैं अपनी shirt और पूरा, have a. So these are all things. So this.
Flaunted.
Yeah, flaunted. Yeah. So not flaunted, but करूँगा मैं, ऐसा दूँगा. So this lockdown is really, I had all the time, and after a certain age, obviously you're a little not as you feel कि यार मैं कर सकूँगा नहीं कर सकूँगा, but I had time. Even if I would work out in the morning and feel a little fatigued or tired or exhausted, I would had some day in the day that I would take a small kind of a short nap or relax and then work out again in the evening. So I was working out twice in his entire workout.
Okay.
Lockdown. So somewhere I think that working out twice and then Harsh and my trainer, because Harsh is very scientific about whatever he does. So both of them sat down and worked out. I said, Dad, your diet is completely wrong. Your eating habits and your relationship with food is not good. So you have to have a good relationship with food. Your relationship with food is all about taste. It cannot be only about taste. It has to be about energy. It has to be about, so many, not only about taste. You eat food for energy and for your body to, to be, क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Nourished.
Nourished, yeah. तो ये इतना खाना और इसके प्लेट से भी खाना उसकी प्लेट से भी खाना
करते थे आप पहले भी नहीं करते थे. I mean, even though you probably didn't show up for
no, I have this. So they scientifically planned my food and these two workouts, Mark and Harsh, and they planned so you could see. Obviously, I have a long way to go. But I'm doing it very slowly. And this time I could really do it slowly because I had an entire 9 to 10 months. So whatever I'm going to do, I'm going to do it. So I am not in a hurry to transform myself. So dhire, step by step, brick by brick, I could take these pictures and post them. And I was excited like a guy or like a student, you know, when sports day hota hai to या कोई competition होती है स्कूल के अंदर, उसको एक अवार्ड ट्रॉफी तो नहीं मिलती पर कभी मेरिट का एक सर्टिफिकेट भी मिल जाए तो वो कितना खुश हो जाता है. सो आई गॉट दिस सर्टिफिकेट्स फ्रॉम लॉट ऑफ पीपल and there were good shootouts from a lot of my friends and well-wishers and fans, and so it felt good. Yeah.
It's lovely. It feels very good to actually see you. Okay, just to connect this with another thing, what's amazing is that you managed to reach this level of fitness at this age. एक line है इसी film में where they talk about staying relevant, कि कितना मुश्किल है for an actor to stay relevant after a certain time. How easy or tough was it for you, Anil? Because आपके साथ जो आपके contemporaries थे, they've had a very different journey than you. You're doing very interesting films and you're looking probably the best you have so far. What's your roadmap been like?
Okay, so
what vision did you have
first,
for yourself?
in one sentence, I want to correct that physically transforming yourself and fitness and body, age is never a barrier. Just keep that in mind. So I want to reach out to all the people who are going to watch your interview and read your interview, that age, no matter what age you are, you can still, the body made by the Almighty is capable of changing and shifting and becoming better. You can do it anytime in your life. Okay? Secondly, you're talking about the relevance. I think it's the choices of films I've made and the people I've worked with and my family and who supported me and always with my choices, with my madness, with my craziness and the co-stars and actors I got an opportunity to work with. So all keeping everything in mind, I was lucky also, being at the right time. I got the right films. The right filmmakers approached me at the right time of my careers. For example, I feel AK vs. Game, AK has come at the right time of my life,
Yeah.
So he wanted to make it 7 years back or 5 years back or 7 saal se, or 3 years back, 4 years back. I don't know how I would react to this script. It came at the right time to me, So many films which have come at the right time of my career. And one thing I must tell who are listening to this interview, all these filmmakers and films and scripts will come to you at the right time only if you put it out in the universe.
Yeah.
It's the kind of work you do, the kind of vibrations you send out to the
and
the
how
industry.
you
Manifest it. Then only it comes. बैठे बैठे घर पे कुछ नहीं आने वाला है. उसके लिए काम करना पड़ता है, मेहनत करना. So it's not only luck. So it is a lot of hard work behind whatever's happened. So I think that must be the reason for me to be what I am today, and that so many filmmakers still feel that I am capable to tell their stories.
That's such a beautiful answer. Completely run out of time. My last word I want to give to Vikramaditya Motwani. Vikramaditya, the films that you've made, be it Lutera, be it Bhavesh Joshi, these have like a cult following. Okay, they generate very strong emotions. इसके साथ आप क्या expect कर रहे हैं? AK versus AK.
A lot of strong emotions as well. I think there's going to be a lot of people who will love the film and there will be people who might not get it and might not
get it.
I just went in, wanted to have a lot of fun. I did have a lot of fun shooting this. I think it's a fun romp, and I know there's layers within the film industry, but I don't think that's what I was going for. I was just going for a really interesting kidnap drama that twists and turns and takes the audience on a wild ride, and I hope that that's the film I've made, and that's what I'm. The genre filmmaker in me is finally coming out. Out of all the drama, there's like a.
Yeah. Super. So thank you so much. This was a lovely interview, a short one, but we're looking forward to seeing the movie. Thank you so much, Anil Kapoor, Vikramaditya Motwani.
Thank you so much.